Okay. Hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will discuss about trigonometric function values, no? So sa trigonometric function values, no, ang ipapakita ko lang naman din sa inyo dito is yung table of trigonometric values, no? Actually nakuha ko to doon sa mga old books, no? So ayan, pinicturean ko na yung copy paste, no? Okay, so ito yung magiging ano, pinaka mas magandang table of values. Ganito yung itsura niya. Nandito yung degrees, nandito yung radians, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and then cosecant. Now, if you find a book just like this one, no? So madali niyo maintindihan to. Now, let's say for example, no? You are going to find the value of cosine 4 degrees, no? So pagtatapatin mo lang yan. Cosine 4 degrees, yan. 9,900, 0.9976. But if you're going to find cosine 4 degrees and 30 seconds, 30 minutes, hanggang minutes lang to eh. 30 minutes to eh. 4 degrees and 30 minutes, no? Patatapatin mo lang. So 0.9969. Kung hanapin mo naman yung second, 5 degrees and 40 minutes, no, pagtatapatin mo lang. Second at saka 5 degrees and 40 minutes, no? Ito 'yon. Ito 'yon, no? So you have 1.0005, no? So almost the same siya dito sa 30 minutes. Okay, so ganun ang paggamit niyan. Ito pa. Yan, no? So the same story rin doon sa unang table na ginawa pinakita ko. Ito. Okay? Ito 14 to 18 degrees. No? Yan. Yan. Now, similar lang din yan. Okay? Now, so dito naman, pagdating naman dito, may part doon sa, actually isang buo yan eh. Dito, yung pinakadulo, itong dalawang column na to, no? So dito, halimbawa, ang pinapahanap sa inyo is tangent 48 degrees and 10 minutes. Hanapin nyo dito, wala yan, no? So mahanap niyo yan dito na sa kabilang part, no? 48 degrees and 10 minutes, no? So pataas yung pag-count niyan. To 45 degrees, ay pataas yan. 45 degrees and 10 minutes, 45 degrees and 20 minutes, 45 degrees and 30 minutes, then 46 degrees to 10 minutes, no? So sabi ko kanina, 48 degrees and 10 minutes ang hinahanap, pataas yon. Ito yon, ang 48 degrees and 10 minutes, ito yung gagamitin natin. Hindi 48 degrees and 10 minutes, hindi pababa, pataas to, no? Pataas. Now, kung tangent siya, no? Kung tangent, hanapin natin si tangent dito sa baba. Yan. Okay? So ito yung magiging value ng 48 degrees and 10 minutes. We have 1.117. 1 point dito kung makita nyo walang number, ibig sabihin 1 point yan. Okay? So dito, pag nandito na yung degree natin, ang tingin na natin ito sa baba na. Okay, sa baba na. Wala na dito, wala dito sa taas, no, sa baba na. Mapapansin niyo yan sa mga books. Okay? So yan. Now, meron naman tayong another way, no? Tulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo last meeting, no? So fast forward ko na to. Okay, here example, no. Find the value. Okay. Find the value of sine 35 degrees and 40 minutes. Nasaan si 45 degrees and 40 minutes? Hanapin ko. 35 degrees, no? 35 degrees and 40 minutes. Malayo pa. Okay, hanapin natin. Okay, 35 degrees and 40 minutes. Ito yon. Sine 35 degrees and 40 minutes, that is equal to, anong pwede maging sign niya, maging value na dito? 831 ba? Hindi. 0.5831. So, 0.5 dito yung kasama. Okay? 0.5831. Okay? So, yung value, ito pala, oh. Ang nilagay ko na. 35 degrees and 40 minutes, no? Ito yon. So, magiging 56 to. 5688. No. This one is, kasi to 35 degrees and 40 minutes. Ito talaga yan, no? 5, 8, 31. Yan. Next, 75 degrees and 20 minutes. Now, ito, 75 and 20 minutes. Dito natin hahanapin. 75 and 20 minutes. Tangent siya. Nasaan si tangent? Ito yun. Pagsasalubungin natin. We have, let me check kung tama sagot ko, 8. Mali. Kinuha ko pala to sa calculator. No? Dito natin. 75 degrees and 20 minutes. Ito yon. We have 3.821. 3.821. Okay? Yan o, tangent. 3.821. Okay. So yan, no, madali lang. Next, what about naman kung ito yung given? Find the value of cosecant for pi, 4 over by pi. Your 4 over by pi, no, i-convert natin to degrees para mas madali. No, cancel this out. Then we have 180 divided by 4 is 45 degrees. So your cosecant 45 degrees here, to, natatakpan kasi ng picture ko, ito yung cosecant pinakadulo. 45 degrees, that would be equal to 1.414. Okay? Next. Find the angle given the value of sine 0.9881. Okay? So this time naman, given na yung value ng sine, which is 0.9881, hahanapin natin yung angle. No? So hanapin natin si 0.9881. Okay? 0.9881. So ito yun, sine. No? Kasi ito sine, dito tayo titingin. Ngayon, ilan yung degree niya? That is 81 degrees and 10 minutes. Yan o. Okay? So yan, now, if you don't have this type of copy, no, this kind of copy, tulad ng sabi ko, pwede yung scientific calculator o kaya online calculator. So I will show you a video, no, on how to use trigonometric functions on the Casio FX991MS calculator. So kung meron kayo nito, very applicable naman sa inyo, okay? So please watch this.
Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a quick look at how to find a MS calculator. To do this, we'll be using the sine, cosine, and tangent keys located along here, sine, cos, tan, as well as the shift key, it looks like this, and is located here, and the x to the power of -1 or x inverse key, it looks like this, and is located up here. Getting started, these examples will be in degrees, so we want to make sure our calculator is set to degrees. We can confirm this by seeing a little D in the top row there. And if we don't see that, what we can do is change our calculator 2, 3, 4 times until we see this screen, DEG, RAD, and GRA, which stands for degrees, radians, and gradients. Like I said, we want to be in degrees, so we select 1, and now we should have that D on the top screen there. All right, if we're just doing the basics, like say the sine of 30 degrees, we would enter it as we would write it. So we press sine 30 and equals, gives us a result of 0.5. Cosine of 30, again, cos 30 equals 0.8660. And tangent of 30, tan 30 equals 0.577 rounding to 4. Easy enough. But what if we wanted to find functions like cosecant, secant, and cotangent? Well, to do this, what we actually have to do is inverse the result of its corresponding function. So, if we wanted to say find the cosecant of 30 degrees, first we have to find the sine of 30, sine 30, press equals, and we're back to our 0.5, and then we want to inverse this with this x to the power -1 or x inverse key. and press equals, and we see we get 2. The cosecant of 30 degrees is equal to 2. Secant, same thing, but done with cos. So if we go cos 30 equals, and then inverse that, equals, we get a secant of 1.1547, etc. And with tangent, tan of 30 equals, inverse that to get our cotangent, which is 1.7321, etc. What about arcsine, arccos, and arctan? Well, these are actually represented by the sine minus 1, cos minus 1, and tan minus 1 that are the shift functions on our sine, cos, and tan keys. And we use these to go from the result of, say, a sine 30 degrees, which gave us 0.5, back to the degrees. So if we wanted to, say, find out how many degrees were used to get 0.5, we would use shift sine. So we get sine minus 1, 0.5, and equals. And we see this brings us back to 30 degrees. Same thing with arc cos. If we press shift cos, and then remember we've rounded this to 0.8660, so 0.8660 equals, this brings us back to what would round to 30 degrees. Again with tangent, remember we got 0.5774, so if we shift tan, there's our arctan, 0.5774 equals, this brings us back to our rounded 30 degrees. All right, I hope this helps out there, everybody, and good luck on those tests.
Okay, no? So, yun ang yun ang mga ways natin, no, gamit tong Casio FX991MS, no? So kung meron kayo nito, it is very easy to use it, no, in trigonometry. So nito na may tutorial na. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. Find the function values of the following angles, no? Sin 25 degrees, we have 0.4226, no? Ginamitan ulit natin ng value, no? Cosine 31 degrees and 30 minutes, we have 0.8526. Then 3, tangent 34 degrees and 20 minutes, we have 0.6830. Now, yan ang value niya. Now, for find the angles whose values are, ito naman, no? This time naman, we are going to find the degrees, no? Given yung mga trigonometric values. Your sine 0.1074 is 6 degrees and 10 minutes. Cosine 0.8039 is 36 degrees and 30 minutes. Tangent 1.228 is 51 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay? So you still can use the table or calculator, no? So if you find it also difficult, yung online calculator na tinuro ko sa inyo. Okay? So walang dahilan na hindi niyo masasagutan to. Okay? So that's it. So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Your quiz and assignment will be follow na. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.